have here 3 pounds of potatoes that's gonna go into my Instant Pot. Now you could definitely boil them. I just need my space. I'm cooking a lot of dinner today, and so yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and just do it in the Instant Pot. So I got 3 pounds of potatoes. I'm just gonna pour a cup of water in, and then I'm just gonna sprinkle a little salt. This is just going to steam for 10 minutes and then I'll let it do a natural release. After these came to a natural release on the Instant Pot, I went ahead, took them out, let them cool, and then I just gave a rough dice to these, maybe about a medium-sized dice. As you can see, I did remove maybe about half of the peels just because it was easy to do, but I also left some for color and for texture and taste as well. So let's go ahead and mix all of the ingredients in here. Of course, I have some mayo. I do a little bit of mustard. I have some Spanish olives with pimentos that have been sliced. Some green onion. I like this for both color and flavor. Got a little bit of relish. Some salt. And I got some celery seed. I'm gonna mix this together before adding the egg in. Because I chopped my egg, I don't want to break it up more than that. So the potatoes have been cooled. That's an important step to this so that the mayonnaise will not absorb all the way through the potatoes. Now I've learned over the years when making potato salad to use the red potatoes. When I first started cooking, my grandma had some things to say about someone who brought over a potato salad and the potato salad was mushy like mashed potatoes. So I told myself never to give that to her. And I had to learn over the years the red potatoes really kind of stand up to this without going into mush. So that's why I like to use them. But I've used Idaho or russet potatoes as well. It just depends on what I have. But if I make an effort and I go grocery shopping for something special like a holiday, I will make sure I get the red potatoes. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and add that egg in now. And then at this point, you can check for seasoning. Add some black pepper, and that's gonna be it. And put this in the fridge and let it sit while I'm finishing the rest of dinner. And be sure to subscribe for this video because we got new videos coming for the new year.